Hello everyone, I am Prajakta Wagmare. I completed my graduation in zoology. When I was studying, I found that it was really hard to make a career in zoology as it really needs hard work and patience to find something new that is not discovered yet. So I told one of my old friend that I want to travel across the country or the world and do work also in it. Initially I was completely blank that about how to find about this course or what to do about my career options. So I told one of my old friend that he suggest who I told he suggested me that you can make career in travel and tourism course also. One of his old friend was a ex student of TIES Institute for Career Training. He suggested me that TIES Institute for Career Training is best for making a career in tourism. Then I took admission over here and I chose the travel and tourism course at travel and tourism and airline course. In this course, I studied about manners and etiquette and grooming also, and how to represent ourselves in front of others and how to talk politely. And about theory part, I learned about India and world's geography also and their itineraries where people visited most in the world. I learned about airlines also. Before this, I didn't know how to fill passport and visa form. Here I learned about the conditions and how to fill passport and visa form and what mistakes that can make suffer. Other than studies, I participate in IITM or extracurricular activities like IITM, tour guiding and sightseeing and treks also. Initially, I was scared about talking. Initially, I was scared to talk about in front of people that so many eyes are looking at us. So when I was guiding my tour in Pataleshwar caves, that time I realized it's not that really hard. Everyone is a friend of us and they want to know just about what is there at the specific place. So let's talk about the teachers in this TIES Institute for Career Training. There are total three teachers. The first is Nana ma'am. She's so good at teaching and she's so friendly also and strict at the same time. She encourages us about the work and how hard works can make someone successful. She taught us about to work in team and how and take responsibilities as we are grown much to take responsibilities. The second is Jayant sir. He is also friendly and good at talking to us. He encourages us and support us to take our own side as it is really important to talk about from our side also. He taught us subjects like travel formalities. Believe me, I didn't know about what to do at airport and what steps should be taken and how the process or the how the steps works over there. Taught us about the cruise and the airlines also. And the last is Rohit sir. He teaches us the India and world itineraries and the destination of that. He is also so friendly and teaches us the moral support and give us the moral support. So if you are not sure about the career or the what field you should choose, once you should try the travel and tourism course if you have the interest like me. And I think once in life you should try this course, because if you want to work in corporate or in international companies, or just because something is different than others are doing, is this is really much better that in the office jobs also. And the basic thing is not medical and engineering are or the engineers are the course or the field where you can work. There are many more, and tourism industry is the open sky and the ocean at the same time. If you are looking for your if you are looking for tourism course, I'll suggest you the TIES Institute for Career Training. Trust me friends, you will achieve your success soon. Definitely. Thank you. All the best for your career.